Okay, so hello everyone. So today's agenda, today we'll be focusing on the product details and other things like the general entries, counting journal, serial numbers, on-hand inventory, BOM, route, transfer orders, reporting, trade agreements, and document handling. So for first of all, let's start with AX. Okay, so there is a icon Azure Remote tab. To just double click it. Then Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 icon, click it, put on the passwords. Waiting for AX.
I think most people on the call today, while we wait for AX to log in, I think they've been on the calls before. But with that said, the password that is being put in is your domain password or the password you enter in the morning when you come into the office. So it's basically your email ID and your password, and there's a checkbox to remember credentials so that you don't have to enter it again. All right, let's hand it over to Sunil.
Yep. So now the AX is starting.
Just on that, hang
Yeah.
on a second. Just on that, Neil, I've been trying to tell people that here in the U.S. I don't know about the U.K. It will work until your password changes. Our passwords change every 90 days, at which point that box will come back up and ask you for your new password, but then you can restore it again with that checkbox.
That is correct.
Yep. So now the AX has started. So first of all, we'll see the product information management module. Basically for product information and inventory, we have three modules in AX. First is product information, second is inventory management, third is warehouse management. So going to product information management, here you will find in common all products and product masters, products, product master and release products. So this is a
You?
hello. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yeah. So I was on this thing common all product masters, product product masters and release products. So this is a major change from AX 2009 in AX 2012. Basically in AX 2009 we used to have product masters for each of our legal entities. But in AX 2012 the product has been shared across the companies. We can share the products among the companies. So that's why you will find here one is all product and product masters and other is release products. So difference in both these two is in release product means the products has been released for that company. So suppose I am in TOUS company today. So if I click on release products, I will see all the products which are released for this company. So these are the product, this is the product master. I will see all the products which are released for TOUS company. Coming to all product and product masters. This will have all the products, whether it is released or not released in any of the companies. It will contain all the product and product masters. So what is the difference between product and product masters? Why there is a two different thing? The first thing, products. Products means basically a products without product dimension group. Dimension group again has changed a lot compared to 2009. In 2009 we used to have only a dimension group which included product dimension group, storage dimension group and tracking dimension group. What it is, product dimension group is basically for your configured products or non-configured products. Storage dimension group is for configuring of warehouse, your site, warehouse location, and tracking dimension group is just for tracking like your serial number. So it is divided into three: product dimension group, storage dimension group, tracking dimension. Product here means those products which doesn't have product dimension, that is non-configurable products. And product master means those products which are configured products. So this is the difference between product and product masters. All product and product master will show you all the products, whether it is product or product masters. And this will show you only just the products, and this will show you product masters. Coming to release products. Release products will have all the things, product and product master. So we'll just go and create a new product. I am creating a product from release product screen. There are two options to create a product. One is from release products, other is from all product and product masters. The difference is, if you create product from released products, this product gets automatically released from the company from which you are creating it. So suppose I'm creating in TOUS in release product form, and I'm creating a new product. So this product will be created and it will be automatically released for this TOUS company. I will, in next step, I will show you to create a product and how to release it if it is not released. So first of all, I'm creating a product from new released product. Coming to product type. Product type is generally item and service. As item is a stock product, service is a non-stock product, so it is divided here. Then the product subtype. This I was mentioning that the product is product or product master. So when I select product, the screen remains same, but when I select product master, there is one more field added, product dimension group. So what the product dimension group is asking, this red lines means obviously compulsory field. So it is saying configured. I want a configured product. And if you click on product, this field will go away. So I'm just creating a product master. Product number. This is basically the number of your product. I'm creating a random number. So yeah, here again, see there is difference between a product number and item number. Above the item number, you can see company specific identification. That means product number is a global number. Means for that product. And if you want that for my TOUS, the product number should be this TOUK. So you have to define here that right now in TOUS. So if I define here something different number, so this will become my item number for TOUS. But in my global product, all product and product master list, I will see this product number. Then comes the product name. Just I'm giving any name like just then search name. You can set your search name.
Quick question on
Yeah.
item number. On the item number, the company specific item number, how is that changed per company? How do you change the item number per company?
Yeah, that I will show you in the next step. How will you change it? Right now I am in TOUS, right? So this product is being created in our global product, and this number is just for TOUS. If you see in TOUK, you will not see in the release product this product. You have to release in TOUK, and when will you release it? It will ask for the item number for TOUK.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So I just put the name, then the product dimension group, like you have only configuration active. So configuration, if you have any template saved, you can just select that template here. If there's any template set, and if not, then you have to select like item model group. The item model group you are using is standard costing. Item group, any item group, I'm just selecting one item group. Storage dimension group, as I said, this is for your warehouse and location. And tracking dimension group. So tracking dimension group, we will have three tracking dimension group. One is without serial, other is serialized for issue and receipt, and third one is serialized for issue only. I'm just selecting any. Jim, can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay,
I
maybe
got
it
a
was just
message
me. I'm sorry.
from, yeah, 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 okay.
Yeah, I cut out completely.
Okay,
I'm okay. I can hear you.
Okay.
I'm
Anyway,
okay
it sounds like
now.
everything's back. So
okay. So I'm just selecting serialize for issue and receipt. Other things like item sales X groups are the optional thing. Then the unit of measure, inventory unit, purchase unit, sales unit, BOM unit. This is also the same as AX 2009, all the units. And I just click OK. So when I'm clicking OK, the two processes are taking place. One is the product is creating in global products as well as the product is releasing in TOUS. Okay, yo, the product is created. I am in the release product screen and I can see the product. The product subtype is product master and the dimension group is
Yeah, I can hear you.
yeah. So I'm just filtering out 98598. So I got the product in all product and product master. Now I have to release this product for my other companies. Right now it has been released only in my TOUS, but I want the same product to be in TOUK or TOIN. So here above there is the option release products. So I have to click on this release products to select that product and select companies. So select companies, it will show you me all the legal entities and I have to just release in TOUK and TOIN. So I'm selecting both these companies and pressing OK. Okay. So now the product is getting released in TOUK as well as TOIN. So the product is released. Now I can check in TOUK. I'm just going to TOUK entity. Going to release products. Just filtering it. I can see the products here. Now going in the product masters, the fields are similar to what was in AX 2009, your brands, brand reference, drawing number, revision, test standard. Then in plan, we have the coverage group. Manage cost will have the all your item groups. The item groups, which item group 1, which we have selected in TOUS, will not come here because you can set item groups based on your legal entities. Like TOUK, I want this item group to be something different, so I can set it something different for TOUK. Then same applies to purchase, the purchase unit, purchase price, over delivery, under delivery percentage, and all that fields related to purchase. Just minimizing all these steps so you will get a better idea. Now coming to sale, all the information related to sell, the selling price, the unit, the over delivery, under delivery. Then manage inventory. This is for your weight. There any serial number group, over delivery, under delivery, anything related to manage inventory thing. Then engineer, it's related to production, like production type, it's a bomb type item with any measurement is there, you can set it here. Then sales information, this is for your SOFON thing, the SOFON model number, start date, active, and all that thing. This is related to deliver, if you want direct delivery or something like for delivery, foreign trade, managed project, the financial dimension, and all that thing. So this is basically the item master. I'm going again to TOUS entity. Now we'll go to the, so the product details is now done. Now we'll go to general entries. Mayur will take over from here related to the journal entries and all that stuff.
Yeah, first we will see how we can create BOM and route in AX 2012. I am selecting one release product. You can create BOM directly from item or from inventory management module. Here you can see the option to create bill of material. Otherwise, you can create also from item. I have created one item. I'm just editing it. For creating a BOM, just click on Engineer tab. Here you can see the lines related to BOM in BOM field, and here you can see the designer. Just click on line to create a BOM. Here you can see the option create BOM. Just click on it. Here you can specify your BOM number. Here you can enter description. If you want to select site, just select it. Click on OK. You can see now BOM is created. Here you can select from date to date. If you want to select the configuration, you can select over here also. On BOM line, here are the BOM lines. Here you can add the BOM components, sub BOM or service item or spare parts. Here you can select the warehouse per series. Here you can select your configuration group, which is required for your configure item. Here you can specify quantity per series and configuration group. In general tab, here you can select the operation number. In setup tab, you also specify the quantity. Here you can see your dimension. If you want to change your warehouse, you can change over here also. And this is all the SOFON related information. Uh, Basically, this setup is same as X 2009. After creating a bomb, you can approve from over here and also activate from over here. Now I will show you how we can configure our route. Here the option to create a new route. You can see here route is created. You can select here from date to date, quantity. You can add the operation in the route lines. Just click on new. You can select the operation over here. Here you can specify your runtime. Here you can select your route group. This is a general tab, same as X 2009. Here you can select your cost categories and costing resource. Here you can specify your queue time before, setup time, runtime and process quantity. Also you can specify your queue time after. In resource requirement, here you can add your resource. In X 2009, there is a their name is a work center and work center group. In X 2012, name change into the resource and resource group. If you want to resource group for operation scheduling, just click on operation scheduling. Here you can select your resource group. After creation, you can approve and activate your route. I will show you now the bomb designer. Just click on engineer tab.
So Mayur,
Yeah.
we don't need to review the we don't need to go through the training for the job. If you think it is similar to 2009, we can just go over any specific changes that are existing in 2012 versus 2009. So, okay. Sunil, you okay on that?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, Mayur.
You can add your service item, spare part, and other item from over here. Just drag and drop if you want to add any item. So this is the tree view, and on the right hand side here you can see the routes, warehouse pick, calibration, calibrate, and warehouse receive, finish it. Now we will see how, our journal entries and counting journal. Just go on inventory management module. On the right hand side you can see the journals, movement journal, inventory adjustment journal, transfer journal, and here you can see the counting journal. These are all same as X2009. Here you can create your new journal. Just click on line to add the items. Here you can add the items. You can select site, warehouse, location, quantity, and cost price. And here you can select also offset account. After selection, just validate it and post it. Here you can see the inventory adjustment journal. In X2009, its name is inventory. Its name is profit and loss journal. Now you name change into the inventory adjustment journal. Otherwise, functionality is same as X2009. Here you can select your item number, site, warehouse. Here you can select the quantity. If you want to increase the quantity, just enter the +1. If you want to reduce the quantity, just enter the -1. You can also specify the cost price and cost amount and validate it and post it. Here is the transfer journal. It is also same as X2009. If you want to transfer from one warehouse to another warehouse, you can use this journal. Here is the counting journal. This is also same as X2009. Just create new line and select the lines. Here you can add the items. After adding the item, you can see the on and quantity of item. You can enter your counted quantity here, and you can see the difference in quantity. Just validate it and post it. So these are the journal. Now we will see the transfer order. In periodic, here is the transfer order. Just click on transfer orders. Here you can create a new transfer order. Just click on new button. You can select from warehouse. I'm selecting a van warehouse in two warehouse. Now header is created. If you want to add the lines, just click on add. Here you can add your item. Here you can select the location. Here you can specify your ship date and receipt date. Here you can see the from warehouse address and to warehouse address. It is same as AX2009. Just click on posting. If you want to post the picking list, just click on picking list. If you want to register it, just click on picking list registration. Now I am ship the transfer order. If you want to select all quantity, just click on all. Okay. Now you can see the status is changed to shipped. Now I am receiving the transfer order to warehouse. If you want to select the all quantity, just click on all and OK. You can see the status is now changed to received. Now we will see the trade agreements. How we can create a trade agreement. Just go on product information management. Release product. If you want to create the trade agreement for the purchase order, you can create over here. Create trade agreement button. Just click on create trade agreement button. If you want to create for trade agreement for vendor, if you want to view trade agreement for the vendors, you can check over here. If you want to create the trade agreement for the customer, you can create over here. I am creating one trade agreement. Just click on line. Here you can select the customer for which you want to create the trade agreement. Here you can select the item. Here you can specify the site and warehouse for which site and for which warehouse you want to create the trade agreement. Here you can specify from quantity and to quantity. In AX2009 there is only quantity option. Now here you can specify the from quantity to quantity. For post the trade agreement, just validate the line and post it. If you want to see the trade agreements, just click on view trade agreements. You can see here the created trade agreements for the particular customers.
There is a question from Mark that is there an option in AX 2012 from a purchase order line to create or automatically update a vendor trade agreement? I just show you in purchase order there is option. I just show you just a minute. Yeah, just go to the purchase order. I just open on purchase order. In general tab, so you can see your trade agreements. You can see the purchase price, line discount, multi-line discount, or total discount. And if you want to edit or create, you can just click on maintain trade agreements, and you can create that trade agreement from the purchase order. So in purchase order, you can see the trade agreement, and also you can edit your trade agreements from purchase order.
Now we will see uh, how we can create a serial numbers from purchase order and from sales order line. I'm just editing one purchase order. On purchase order line, just click on update line button. Here you can see the registration. Just click on it to create a new serial number. If you want to create a serial number, just click on the create serial number button. Here you can see there is a three quantity. For three quantity, you can create the three serial number. You can see here the three serial number is created for this item. After created the serial number, you can post it by product receipt or picking list. Same for the sales order. On sales order line, you can also create the serial number by same way. Now we will see how we can check the on hand inventory for item. Just go on inventory management module. Here is the option to check the on hand inventory in inquiry. Just click on it. Here you can check your on hand inventory by site wise, by dimension wise. Here you can see the item group 1 2 3. uh, on hand tab, here you can see the physical inventory, available physical Here you can see available for reservation quantity, total available quantity. Here you can check the financial cost amount and physical cost amount for that item. You can also check on an inventory from item details. Just click on manage inventory tab. Here you can see the on an inventory button. Just click on it. Here also you can check your on hand quantity. If you want to set the default site and warehouse, here you can see the default order setting button and site specific order setting button. Just click on it to select the site. Here you can select the site for sales, for inventory and for purchase. And here is the site specific order setting. Here you can select site, purchase warehouse, inventory warehouse and sales warehouse. Same as X 2009. Here is the document handling. Here you can attach the product related documents. Same as X 2009. And here is the item image. Here you can attach your item image for product. Here you can check the reports in inventory management module in report parts. Here you can check the inventory picked not delivered, your shipment list. On an inventory report, you can check on an inventory. Here is the aging report. If you want to report for item aging, for item group wise or item dimension wise, you can take the print over here. Here are the inventory valuation reports with standard cost breakdowns. Here you can get the inventory cost detail reports for check the cost for the inventory, purchase price list report. These are all the bill of material related reports. And here you can check the transfer order report.
So we have covered all these things, BOM, route, transfer order reporting, trade agreements, document handling. So is there any questions for us?
No
Anybody
specific
have any
questions?
questions? Yeah.
No.
Okay then. For my people, and I include the UK here, take a look at, go through everything. We would like you to get used to looking at the screens, find out where you need to be, what, where the equivalents are from what you're used to seeing in 2009 to what's going to be in 2012, and understand the differences between 2009 and 2012, like the released products versus general products, which Um, I believe with a few people, there's still left to install the client, the remote app on the machines. Glenn, I think you're the only one in the U.S. Bill might still need it in the UK if he's there. And that will let you get in. We'll be doing that, and I believe CloudFronts will be making sure that the accounts for the testing purposes are all set up. Usually you guys do that by tomorrow morning.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, unless there's anything else then. One other thing, if anybody does find some issues or some questions, please send them to Sanjay and myself. If we can't answer them or if we can't figure out the answer, we'll forward it on to the consultants so that they're dealing with the upgrade more than they're dealing with just general questions that might be answered easier through us. All right, I think that's it.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
All right,
Thank
thank you,
you.
gentlemen.
Thanks for your time. Yep.